All right, we are back with a familiar face, refinance and mortgage expert Jason Imrudy, president of the Home Loan Arranger. With rates right now at historic lows, now is the time to consider a 15-year fixed loan. I can't wait to talk about that, but let's first start off where the rates are right now.
Absolutely, Gina. 15-year fixed interest rates today as low as 1.99%. The lowest rates I have ever seen in my 28-year career in the mortgage business, 1.99%, 15-year fixed loan.
Well, I haven't been in the mortgage business like you, but I will say that even sounds low to me. So let's talk about this 15-year term. Well, that might scare people off by, oh, I can't afford that. Why should people be considering that right now?
Absolutely. Well, a lot of homeowners have 30-year terms right now. Let's say an interest rate of 3.75%.
Yeah.
Now is the opportunity for homeowners to refinance, do a rate and term refinance, get into a 15-year fixed loan, and keep your payment very similar to where it is today. But yet you're gonna refinance into a 15-year term, pay your home off faster, and save a ton of money in interest. I have an example here on some numbers I'd like to go through. An example on, let's say you have a 30-year fixed term at 3.75%.
Okay. Let's
say you have 27 years left of that 30-year term. Okay, we can refinance today at 1.99%. So the difference of those two interest rates is 1.75%, right?
Right.
So mathematically, this is how the math would break down. This is how much interest you could potentially save by refinancing today. So by dropping your interest rate 1.75% based on $350,000, you would eliminate roughly $91,000 in interest over 15 years, okay? And then we're going to take that 27-year term and reduce it to 15 years. So we're going to eliminate that 12 years of interest, and you're going to save roughly $144,000 in interest. So by refinancing today, if your example looks similar to this, you could save roughly $236,000 by taking advantage of that 15-year fixed interest rate of 1.99%.
And owning your home outright at that point, half as quick as, half as long.
Paying it off in 15 years. Beating the bank, saving yourself roughly $236,000 in interest.
Those numbers are
That's
impressive.
A lot of money.
That's really impressive.
The opportunity is there today for homeowners with these historically low mortgage rates to seize the moment, pay their home off faster, and save a ton of money in interest.
All right, let's talk about how fast you can do this, because a lot of people think, yes, but it just takes so long to refinance. I just don't know if I want to go through all that.
It does. And, first I'd like to say a lot of my competitors are taking over 8 weeks to close a loan. We can close a loan as fast as 10 business days.
Wow.
Call today. We could position you to potentially skip March, April. First payment due May 1st. We can close as fast as 10 business days.
May 1st, we like that. That seems far away.
Skip a couple months, why not?
Now, do most people need a full appraisal? Because that's the other thing. It takes some time.
It does. I would say 99% of the files that we have in office today, we're getting appraisal waivers. And that does a couple things for me and the homeowner. A, it saves the homeowner around $700 for an appraisal. And B, it saves us a lot of time in the transaction. It enables us to close that loan as fast as 10 days. Ed was on the show here a little bit ago, right before me.
Yeah.
And talking about an opportunity, you could call today, refinance, skip March, April, have a couple months off, and redirect and maybe call Ed and maybe lose some weight at the same time. By
Look at you.
Interest.
You're just spreading the wealth all the way around. Thank you, Jason. I like it, making my job easy. All right, the Home Loan Arranger is here to help you with your refi. There's never been a better time to act and close on your new loan fast. Save thousands and skip up to 2 months payments. Call Jason Rudy right now, the Home Loan Arranger, at 303-862-4742. You can also visit them online at homeloanarranger.com. He paid for today's segment, and we'll be right back.